Hello guys, welcome back with the third and last puzzle not in today's newspaper, no. Today it's actually Wednesday, May the 17th, 2023. No, it's the edition of yesterday, Tuesday, May the 16th, 2023. And I've already solved two puzzles. The letter Sudoku, Sudoku with 0 stars. Well, it seems this one is a 1 star. And we have a Tectonic left. Yes, the Tectonic with 1 star. In Dutch, they call it Cypher block. In Japanese, Suguru. Yeah, a Suguru. And this one will be number, I believe, 6452. Yeah. 6452. Before I start, I always count the printed digits. This one has 18 printed digits. Should be an easy one, yes, of course, because the hard ones has always 8, 9, or 10 printed digits. This one has 18, and it's indicated with 1 star. And for 1 star puzzle, I need to be faster than 15 minutes. We will see if this is really a 1 star puzzle. So let's get started. First question to you is, can we see here the single box? Because the single box is always a 1. No, can see any single boxes here. Second question, do we have here dual boxes? I see here a dual box. The 1 is already given, yes. So 1 box left, should be the 2 then. More dual boxes, no. Next question, do we have here triple boxes? Of course, here triple box, there triple box. Contains the 1, the 2, and the 3. Well, could be everywhere here in this triple box. But when you see a triple box, remember that the box near the middle box, this is the middle box, the box near the middle box is always 4 or a 5. 4 or a 5, well, we have a 5 here. So, cannot be a 5 anymore. So, this box should be a 4 then. Yeah. Other side, the 5 is already given. Okay. How about here? Triple box. Contains the 1, the 2, and the 3. Well, could be everywhere, those numbers, the 1, the 2, and the 3. But when you see a triple box, remember the box near the middle box is always 4 or a 5. So 4 or a 5. Same for here, other side. 4 or a 5. But we already have a 5 there, so it can be 5 anymore. This box should be a 4 then. Alright, triple box. Quadra boxes then. Do we have quadra boxes in this puzzle? Let me check. Here, quadra box in an L shape. When you see a quadra box in an L shape, remember that the box, the inside box, the inside box is always a 5 here. Always a 5. The other numbers here in this quadra box could be everywhere. Here also a quadra box. These two boxes can be a 2, so the 2 could be there. And the other numbers could be everywhere. Well, this box can be 4. And I hate to mark 3 boxes with a 4. So let me skip this. Alright. Then my next strategy is to look for shapes, figures, structures, or constructions that you need to recognize. Yeah. For example, this shape. Let me draw this shape here. When you see this kind of shape, remember that this box has the same number as that box. So this box has the same number as that box. Alright, do we have more of these kind of shapes? Here, another one. So this box has the same number as that box. So in this case, it's a 2 here. 2, okay. So the other 2 numbers in this triple box should be the 1 and the 3, 1 and the 3, okay. More of these kind of shapes? No. Then the following shape, how about this shape. Let me draw the shape here. when you see this kind of shape, remember that this box has the same name as that box. So this box has the same name as that box. Alright, do we have more of these kind of shapes? Here, another one upside down. This box has the same name as that box. Only 2 of them, yes. Then the following shape, how about the L shape? We have here the L shape. Let me draw the L shape here. When you see the L shape rotated, this box has the same name as that box. So this box has the same name as that box. Here another L shape upside down. This box has the same name as that box. Alright, and those are the shapes that you need to recognize in this puzzle. Yes, only 3 we have here. Maximum 6. Not in this puzzle. In this puzzle we have only 3 that you need to recognize. And the question is why you need to recognize those shapes. Well, then the following step, it's easy for filling those numbers. So let's get starting filling those numbers. These 2 boxes in this area are left for the numbers 1 and 3. 1 and 3. We have a 1 there, no 1 there. 1 should be here and a 3 goes there. These 2 boxes can be a 1, so 1 box left for the 1 in this triple box should be there. These 2 boxes can be 3, so 1 box left for the 3 in this area should be there. 2 numbers left in this triple box for numbers 2 and the 3. We have a 3 now, so no 3 there. 3 should be here and a 2 goes there. These are 3 boxes. Surround a 4 can be a 4. So 1 box left for the 4 in this L-shaped area should be there. I've marked this box with 4 or a 5. Well, can it be 4 anymore? Should be a 5 now. Alright. These 2 boxes can be 3. So 1 box left for the 3 in this L-shaped area should be there. And this box is connected with that box. Should be also a 3. Also connected with this box should be also a 3. Alright. So 2 numbers left in this L-shaped area for numbers 1 and the 2. We have a 1 there, no 1 there. 1 should be here and a 2 goes there. These 2 boxes can be 2. So 1 box left for the 2 in this area should be there. These 2 boxes can be a 5. So the 5 could be here, could be there. These 2 boxes can be 2. So the 2 could be here, could be there. 2 numbers left in this area for numbers 1 and 2. Well, I cannot place the 2 there because we have a double 2 there. If I place a 2 here, I cannot fill any 2 in one of those 2 boxes. So the 2 should be here and the 1 goes there. These 2 boxes can be a 1, so the 1 goes together with the 5 as a pair. So 2 numbers left in this area for the numbers 2 and the 4. 2 and the 4, we have a 4 there, no 4 there. 4 should be here and the 2 goes there. These 2 boxes can be 4, so 1 box left for the 4 in this area should be there. 2 numbers left for the numbers 1 and the 2. Let me mark those 1 and 2, 1 and the 2. Alright. Then let me see. These 2 boxes can be 3. So 3 could be here, could be there. 2 numbers left in this area for numbers 1 and 5. 1 and 5. Alright, that means that this box cannot be 1 or a 5. We have a double 1 there and a double 5 there. If I place a 1 or a 5 here, I cannot fill any 1 or any 5 in one of those 2 boxes. So the 1 and the 5 goes in those 2 boxes as a pair. 1 and a 5, 1 and a 5. And this box is connected with that box. Should be so 1 or a 5. Alright. That means that those 2 boxes can be a 1. We have a double 1 there. If I place a 1 here, I cannot fill any 1 in one of those 2 boxes. So the 1 goes together with the 2 as a pair. Now we have a double 1 here. That means that this box cannot be a 1 anymore. If I place a 1 here, I cannot fill any 1 in one of... If I place a 1 here, I cannot fill any 1 in one of those 2 boxes. So the 1 should be here. The 5 goes there. These 2 boxes can be a 1. So the 1 could be here, could be there. Well, I cannot place the 1 there because we have a double 1 there. If I place a 1 here, I cannot fill any 1 in one of those 2 boxes. So the only place left for the 1 in this area should be there. Alright. This box can be a 5 because we have a double 5 there. And this box can be a 3. So the 3 and the 5 goes in those two boxes as a pair. 3 and a 5, 3 and a 5. We have a 3 there, no 3 there. 3 should be here and a 5 goes there. So 1 digit left in this area for number 4. 1 and a 5, we have a 1 now, so no 1 there. 1 should be here and a 5 goes there. 1 and a 2, we have a 1 now, so no 1 there. 1 should be here and a 2 goes there. 1 and a 5, we have a 5 now, so no 5 there. 5 should be here and a 1 goes there, and this box is connected with that box, should be also a 1. This box can be a 5, that box can be a 5, so 1 box left for the 5 in this L-shaped area should be there, and I've eliminated the 3, so the 3 goes there. 1 box left in this L-shaped area for the number 4. 1 box left in this area for number 4. 2 numbers left in this quadra box for numbers 3 and the 4. 3 and the 4, we have a 4 there, no 4 there. 4 should be here and the 3 goes there. These two boxes can be 3, so 1 box left for the 3 in this area should be there. 2 numbers left in this area for numbers 1 and the 4. 1 and the 4, we have a 4 there, so no 4 there. 4 should be here and a 1 goes there. 1 and a 2, we have a 1 now, so no 1 there. 1 should be here and a 2 goes there. This box can be 3. This box can be a 1. So the 1 and 3 goes in those two boxes as a pair. 1 and 3, 1 and 3. So 1 digit left in this quadra box for number 4. Alright. These 3 boxes surround the 2 can be a 2. So 1 box left for the 2 in this area. It should be there. This box can be a 4, that box can be a 4, so 1 box left for the 4 in this area should be there. So 2 numbers left, the 1 and the 3. 1 and the 3, we have a 1 there, no 1 there. 1 should be here and the 3 goes there. And this box is connected with that box, should be also a 3. And that box is connected with this box with the number 1. 1 box left in this area for number 5. 1 and a 3. We have a 3 now, so no 3 there. 3 should be here, and a 1 goes there. This box can be a 2. This box can be a 3. So the 2 and the 3 goes in those two boxes as a pair. 2 and a 3, 2 and 3. We have a 2 there, no 2 there. 2 should be here, and a 3 goes there. 1 box left in this area for number 1. Now we have a 1 there, so this box can be 1 anymore. That box should be a 1, and this box should be a 3. Finish in 12 minutes. Well. Told you I need to be faster than 15 minutes. And we solve it again. And I like this one, yes, I really do. Do you think so? Thumbs up. Otherwise, thumbs down. You can also download this PDF file so you can make it or solve it by yourself. Thank you again for watching. And don't forget, only if you like, only if you want to subscribe. And hit the bell button, guys, to be notified by YouTube when I upload new Sudokus to my channel. You can also find in my channel a lot of playlists. Playlists for the tectonics, playlists for the binaries, playlists for the ladder Sudokus. I have also a playlist for the 0, the 1, the 2, the 3, and the 4 stars Sudokus. A playlist for the heavy, the medium, the light, the killer, the samurai Sudoku, a.k.a. quintuplet, all kind of puzzles or Sudokus. I have a playlist. Just go to my channel and subscribe, and you will find them all those playlists that you want. Thank you again for watching. And we will meet again tomorrow. Tomorrow it's Assassin's Day, so we don't have a newspaper. I will solve an old puzzle. I have here an old additional. It's the additional of Wednesday, May the 3rd. 3 puzzles again are left. Alright. See you tomorrow. Have a great and fantastic Wednesday. Until then, bye-bye for now.